and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Our next Valentine's video is a chocolate and tart cherry parfait requested by Byron Chandler. This takes a day to put together, so plan ahead. We're making the chocolate pudding first. This is a scratch chocolate pudding and it is Tyler Florence's chocolate pudding recipe. As usual, the ingredients are always listed here as well as the full recipe and instructions in the description box below. This is made on the stovetop in a two-step process. So let's get over to the stove and start cooking. We start with the sugar, the cocoa, and 1.5 cups of milk in a saucepan. This gets whisked over medium heat until it starts to simmer. This is almost done. All right, now we can go over and temper the eggs. We're whisking the egg yolks with the remaining milk, vanilla, salt, and cornstarch. And I'm just using the same whisk from the chocolate. We're going to whisk this continually and slowly pour in the chocolate mixture. If we don't do this, all we'll get is scrambled eggs. All right, then all this goes back into this pan and back over to the stovetop. This is going back over medium heat, and we're going to whisk continuously until it comes to a boil. From here on out, we have to whisk continuously, otherwise this is just going to form lumps. After it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it down and simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes until it starts to thicken. All right, this looks like it's nice and thick. This is going back into a clean bowl. And this gets covered with plastic wrap. Now, to keep it from forming a skin, we're going to put the plastic wrap directly onto the pudding. Then this goes in the refrigerator to cool and set up overnight. Our tart cherry layer is nothing more than tart cherry pie filling. So we have tart pitted cherries, sugar, lime juice, almond extract, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. All of this is going into a small saucepan. It's getting cooked over medium heat until it's thickened. Then it too goes in the refrigerator to cool overnight. Okay, to put these parfaits together, we're going to unwrap this, and then this needs to go in a piping bag. I'm using a 16-inch piping bag. It's time to give our parfait a taste, and I know this is going to be delicious because all these flavors are wonderful. Oh my God. Wonderful. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.